Hi teacher, here we have the code for control the mechanical arm. First, we have the top design of the project. In this part, just use two PWM for control four motors, servo motors. Okay, each one are configured the same. Two outputs and with period with 20 milliseconds. Okay, the two are modified at the same. We ability the two output of each one because we are going to use four servo motors, and we use one clock for both. Okay, and we use this pin for save the values that we recompilate of that. Okay, then this part is the pinout of the project. This have the chip of PSoC 5. Okay, we use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pins. Each pins are assigned to control one servo motor, and here we have the code. This is the code that control the PWM of each motor. Okay, we include the library of PSoC. We include this library of C language. Okay, we declare the three functions that we are going to use in this part. Okay, we have the principal function. It's the in main. Here it execute each function that we declared in here. Okay, right. First, we declare the start of each component that we used in this top design. Okay, it's one PWM, two PWM, and one clock. Okay, we declare the clock, the PWM, and the second PWM. Okay, we declare it like a start. Okay, this part of code is a for. This for is execute always, in all time, Okay, this if is for execute when we press the button that are vinculate with this pin that is safe. Okay, this button save is to control the start for the mechanical arm. Okay, then when it is 0, the mechanical arm start movement for moving one thing to one place to the other place. Okay, and then when this is 0, execute the three functions that we create for the mechanical arm. Okay, this first function is many forms to create to change the value of PWM. How we can see, we have PWM right compared to it's equal to E. So this E it's right to this part in the compare value. In the compare value that it's that this compare value is to change the value of PWM. Okay, for each one. Okay, then this first step is to control the servo motors for a specific movement. In this case, is to take the things of the floor. Okay, PWM compared to is referred to one servo. This for second servo, third servo, and fourth servo. Each value of these four is for a specific movement of each servo, a specific movement. Okay, this is the first function. The second function are the same. Is a second movement that do the mechanical arm. Okay, and always each value of each four is a specific movement for each servo. And then we have the third function that are the same that the first and the second function. We have four, and each four have values according to the movement that mechanical arm do. Okay, this third part is the final movement. of the mechanical arm. Okay, then we are going to show the video to you can see the movement of mechanical arm to take a thing on the floor and put them in another place of the floor.
Entonces, ya me imagino
Claro.
como te quitas del hotel directo
Ahí está.
regresamos.
Pinche mosca en el podcast.
Estamos ofreciendo, si quieres una noche
¿De pasión?
comprar boletos en Cocobongo o cosas así, de promoción. Ahora,
Sí, sí, órale.